RC10gt electric conversion basher build. Oh yeah. What's happening, guys? This is Ryan from RC Off-Road, and got a pretty cool project I just got in the mail from eBay. Picked this up off eBay last week. This is a RC10 GT ready to run. They started making these probably 2002. I already have a gas truck. Still have an original one with the nitro that I love. Very first brand new hobby grade RC car, actually. But I was cruising through eBay, and I've been kind of looking for a chassis to do e-conversion. So I want to do something old school. I like vintage, and we're gonna build this thing and we're gonna launch it. I already got RPM A-arms, front and rear. Can't beat that. Yeah, it's a little beat up. This got to be replaced here. It's got a couple. I think these are RPM turnbuckles back here. Mismatched shocks, kind of ghetto, but it's pretty beefy front springs in there. But it's been beat up. I mean, the chassis ain't in the greatest shape, so this ain't gonna be no racer, nothing super nice. I'm gonna build it and we're gonna beat on it for sure. But I mean, it's missing parts. Still need to get the axles and all the rear suspension links and all that stuff. I mean, the transmission's there, smooth. Spur gear looks like it's in pretty good shape. I mean, other than that, can't beat 50 bucks shipped to your door. I thought that was a pretty good deal. So we're gonna go brushless with this. I'm not quite sure what kind of setup we're gonna put in it, but we're gonna put in something pretty wicked. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. All the GT electric conversions I've seen on YouTube right now, guys have built them for like racing and a lot of speed runs. You see, down the street and this and that. But this one here, we're gonna build it and we're gonna launch this thing, and I'm gonna beat the living crap out of it, and I'm gonna love every minute of it. So just gotta get some parts ordered up. We're gonna do a little bit of a build series, and it should be pretty fun. I'm pretty excited. 50 bucks, can't beat it. I mean, I like the old vintage stuff. Throw a comment down there if you like the older stuff too. I mean, yeah, I could buy something newer that's a lot stronger. That the parts availability are a lot better. But what's the fun in that? We'll get creative, build something different. And these trucks really love to jump. When they were made, these were known for how well they jumped. So we're gonna jump it big time. But yeah, I just wanted to shoot this video and show you the upcoming project. I'm going to shoot many more videos as I'm putting it together, and I got big plans for this old girl. It's going to be pretty fun to watch. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Comment if you ever had an RC10 GT. See if you still love them. This is my second one. I still got my original one that I'm going to be doing a video on that. I still got the original box and everything, man. Them things they're just cool trucks. I love them. So make sure you subscribe, throw a comment down in the bottom, and we'll see you guys later.